Hello everyone, good day to all. So this is the paper for class 8, 40 marks, just as a sample paper. You can practice and first of all read the instructions carefully and now move to the question. So first one, section A, reading based question comprehension. Read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. So move to the question. How has the internet changed our lives? मीन्स इंटरनेट ने हमारी लाइफ को कैसे बदल दिया है. सो आंसर इज द इंटरनेट हैज चेंज्ड आवर लाइव्स बाय मेकिंग कम्युनिकेशन एंड शॉपिंग ईजियर. यू हैव टू आंसर फ्रॉम द पैराग्राफ. आपको पैराग्राफ से ही आंसर देना है जो कि पैराग्राफ में लिखा हुआ है. व्हाट आर द नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स ऑफ excessive internet use? So there are some negative uses of what is written in the paragraph. The answer will be excessive internet use can lead to reduced physical activity and stress. So next question, why is maintaining balance important? So balance को maintain करना क्यों ज़रूरी है? Maintaining balance is important for a healthy life. So answer will be for healthy life we will use to maintain balance. Find a synonym for changed from the passage. From the passage you have to select what is the synonym of the changed. So synonym of the changed is revolutionized. Next is also a paragraph. Not a paragraph, it is poem. Extract, read the poem below and answer the questions. As the wind whispers through the trees, a calming sound puts minds at ease. The golden sun sets in the west. Nature prepares for a peaceful rest. So move to the question. What is the poet describing in these lines? So the poet is describing the beauty of nature as the sun sets and the wind blows. Next question, what does the word whisper suggest that the wind? The word whisper suggests that the wind is soft and gentle. Next question, identify two examples of imagery in the poem. So imagery, auditory imagery and visual imagery. There are two types of imagery, means audio and visual. Next question, write a rhyming word for trees. So what is the rhyming word for tree? So is and breeze. You can choose from the paragraph is and move to the next question, which is writing grammar. Change the following sentence, do as directed. So there are some sentences you have to change as the direction. Write synonym of panorama or sleek. So what is the synonym? Synonym means meaning. Panorama means view, landscape means wide view, and sleek means smooth, glossy. Next question is, she said, I am reading a book. Change into indirect speech. So you have to change this sentence into indirect speech. Answer is she said that she was reading a book. Next, the train does arrive at 6 p.m. every day. So every day, what will be the answer? The train arrives at 6 p.m. every day. Next question, she studied hard for her exams yesterday. So what will be the answer? She studied hard for her exam yesterday. Next question, he visit the museum next weekend. So visit, what will be the answer? He will visit the museum next weekend because in future. So that's why we have to use will. Next, I spent 10 hours on my day project. So what will be the answer? Hours means you have to use an, article an, because sound is hours. So I spent an hour on my day project. Write the plural of child. So what will be the plural of the child? Children. Write a paragraph on the topic the importance of books in your life in our life. Next is write a letter to your friend describing the annual prize distribution function of your school. So I'm not describing paragraph, and later I will send you answer sheet after this question paper, so you can practice that from there. Section C, language and literature. So this is also from your textbook, and you can go through your textbook and from there you can practice. Otherwise I will send you answer up all the questions. So that's all. Thank you. One, reading section. Number 2, writing and grammar. Third one is